This is the lab, Isotopes of Pennies Lab. After finished the past two lab about isotopes and also average atomic mass. Now you should have a good understanding what is isotope, what is mass number, and what is atomic mass. So for this lab, the first page, you need to read through the information was given and fill it out at the end of the lab. This is what we have prepared for the lab. A balance and some pennies from before 1982 and some penny after 1982. Number one, obtain a sample of 10 pennies so you can get whatever number you prefer. At this point, because I'm doing it by myself, I am actually just going to grab 10 old penny and 10 new penny. Now I place 10 old pennies on the balance. As the balance shown, it's about 30.41 gram. Write that number down in number 2, then calculate the average mass for single old penny. Then I remove the old penny, place a new penny on the balance. I have total 10 of them, and the balance shown is about 20.01 gram for 10 pennies. Write that number down in number 3, and then calculate the average mass for single new penny. This is the data you need for calculating number 4 and number 5. Now I place 3 old penny and 7 new pennies on the balance. The balance read as 20.25 grams. Here is the data you will need to finish part A. Now, going to part B, you will still need the data from your part A to finish number 2 calculation. Now, after the calculation, I place 6 old penny and 4 new pennies on the balance. It shows as 28.07 gram. Here is the data you need to finish part B. Here is the 3 envelope that you will be received for part C. For each envelope, I place total 10 pennies in there. But at this point, you don't know how many new pennies or how many old pennies was in each different one. First, I place an empty envelope on the balance. So it shows me the empty envelope is about 5.01 gram. Then I place number 1 envelope on the balance, which shows 31.25. Then I switch to number 2 envelope. Number 2 envelope shows as 31.18 gram. And the last one, number 3. It shows at 29.92 gram. Here's the data you need for the different mass for different envelope. Next, please follow the instruction to figure out how many old pennies or new pennies are in each individual envelopes.